Hello again, today's recipe is for a warm dessert and it's a classic Australian recipe. It's golden syrup dumplings that look like this. As always, all the measurements are in the description. Start with the self-raising flour. And then we'll add some salt and vegan butter. Now we're going to rub in the butter and flour using our fingertips. Just like this until all the butter and flour is mixed together. The mixture should resemble breadcrumbs. Now to form the dumpling dough, we add in the plant milk. A tip when mixing the dough is to use a flat knife to avoid over mixing. Mix until the dough just comes together like this, and now it's time to go and cook them. We start by making our sauce with water in a large pot, and then add brown sugar, and of course golden syrup for golden syrup dumplings. Give it all a stir. This sauce is going to be really sweet, but remember there's no sweetness in the dumplings. Stir over medium heat until all of the sugar has dissolved. Then turn the heat up to high and bring the golden syrup sauce to a boil. While the sauce is boiling, grab a spoonful of the mixture and then lightly form it into a golf-sized ball. Repeat with all of the mixture like this. Once the golden syrup sauce is boiling, drop the dumplings in. Place the lid on and then turn the heat down. Make sure you keep the lid on and they'll be ready in 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the lid to reveal your steamed, puffed dumplings. Now it's time to serve them in a bowl with some of that sauce and a scoop of vegan ice cream. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. There's more vegan recipe videos here.